Training your biceps is important for functional strength, injury prevention, and improving the appearance and performance of your arms. The biceps, located on the front of your arm, is a key muscle group involved in various pulling and lifting movements. Here are some of the key reasons as to why training your biceps is very important. The biceps play a major role in daily activities such as lifting, pulling, carrying, or picking up objects. Biceps are essential for activities like climbing, rowing, and throwing, where pulling or bending the arms is required. Biceps are heavily involved in pulling motions like chin-ups, pull-ups, rows, and deadlifts. Strong biceps enhance the performance in these compound lifts. So for example, if your pull-ups are too weak, you may need to strengthen your biceps. Strong biceps stabilize and support the elbow joint during movements, reducing the risk of injury and strains. Training the bicep alongside the tricep helps to maintain muscle balance in the upper arm, preventing overuse injuries and imbalances. The biceps are one of the most visible muscles, contributing to a muscular and toned appearance. It's a pretty known fact that big biceps are in the beach muscles category. Bicep training indirectly strengthens grip, as many bicep exercises require you to hold and control weights. Better grip strength translates to improved performance in sports like lifting and daily activities. The biceps help stabilize the shoulder during certain movements, protecting it against injuries. Strong biceps enhance arm speed and power, like in sports such as tennis and baseball. And as we age, maintaining bicep strength is essential for performing basic tasks. Keeping the bicep strong helps support joints and reduce the risk of arthritis or any degeneration over time. So today I'm going to give you 3 exercises that you can do right now to build big, strong biceps, but this time with using your body weight and with weights. So we're going to do a bit of a hybrid training this time with weights and calisthenics. So with that being said, let's get into it. So for the first exercise, this is a staple in calisthenics, and that is the body weight bicep curl. To perform this exercise, you want to make sure the bar is around waist or chest height. Then start by facing the bar and grip them with a supinated grip. Then you want to lean back so that your arms are fully extended and your body forms a straight line from head to heel. Your feet should then be planted firmly on the ground. Keep your elbows in a fixed place, then curl your body towards the bar. Your hand should move towards your forehead or temple, mimicking the motion of a dumbbell curl. Focus on squeezing the biceps as you pull yourself up. Slowly straighten your arms to return into the starting position, and make sure you maintain control and keep the tension on the bicep throughout the movement. And to make this harder, you can do ring bicep curls. So it's the same exercise, but this time you're using the gymnastics rings. Now this will make the exercise even harder due to the lack of stability. So this is a progression from the bar bicep curl, and this is the ring curls. You can also make it harder by changing the leverage point that you perform the exercise at. So for example, the higher you set the rings, the easier it is, and the lower you set the rings, the harder it is. You can also do one arm at a time, so it's unilateral ring bicep curls. So this will add even more weight to each arm at a time. The next exercise is called the ring Pelican Curls. Now this exercise is definitely a step above, and it's for the more advanced guys out there. Now to perform it, you want the rings at a waist level. Then you want to grab the rings tightly with a supinated grip. Then you want to slowly lower your body downwards until your arms are as straight as they can be. Then you want to curl your body weight back up into the starting position. So it's almost like a reverse ring curl in terms of the positioning of it. And again, to make it harder, you can just change the leverage point of the rings. So the higher the rings, the easier it is, and the lower the rings, the harder it is, and it's very, very tough. And as you perform this exercise, you will then notice that the biceps is trained in the stretched position. And last but not least, we have the Bayesian curl. Now this is the weight training version of the Pelican curls. Now to perform this exercise, you want to position the cable machine with the handle and the pulley at the bottom. Then you want to stand facing away from the cable machine, holding one cable in one hand. Then step forward with the opposite leg, creating a staggered stance for stability. Then you want to lean slightly forward, allowing your arm to extend fully behind your body. Then keep your elbow slightly bent and your core engaged. Curl the handle forward and upward towards your shoulder, and squeeze your bicep at the top of the movement, ensuring full contraction, and avoid letting your elbow drift forward. Slowly extend your arm back to the starting position very slowly, controlling the weight throughout the descent. Focus on maintaining tension in the bicep even at a fully extended position. So there you have it, guys. That's 3 exercises that you can do with your body weight and weight training equipment. Take these exercises into consideration and watch your biceps just transform. And as you know, guys, this is a mixture of weight training and calisthenics, because you know me, I had to mix the two and use different unique exercises that you don't really see other people doing. So take these exercises and make sure you use them correctly, and you will not regret it at all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.